Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see how to use XFail and Skip in PyTest Framework. Alright, I have written a sample Selenium program over here, which does a few basic UI validations. So I have four methods over here. So first method is called test launch browser. Next one is assert title, and then I'm just viewing the repositories and I'm just viewing the list of projects. So so I will just run this PyTest and see what happens. So PyTest test underscore fixture dot so so I've started running my program. So what happens is, so I've written a basic test which navigates to my GitHub profile, and it just asserts the title of the GitHub page, and next it navigates to repositories and projects. Okay, so this is one of the sample validations I'm planning to perform. Okay, so as I said, there are four different methods over here. So basically, it will say four tests. Okay, so now let me jump onto my program. Now, yeah, if you now see, it says four passed. Okay, so basically, my four different tests ran. Now, let's see how to use XFail. Okay, um, so when do you use XFail? Okay, so you are testing an application, okay, and you have found a defect or a bug. So now you do not want your entire program to stop uh, because if, because of that bug. All right. So for example, in my program, so say for first two methods working fine. The third method, there's some problem in view test repositories method. For some reason, say there is a defect or a bug on this test view repositories method, so you do not want your flow of your execution to stop, right? So in this situation, you just want to uh, uh, bypass that method, and bypass that method and just run the remaining methods, so that whenever your bug is fixed in the future, you can still run it back again. So in order to do that, in PyTest we have a great fixture called xfail. Okay, so how do I use it? PyTest dot mark dot xfail. All right, so if I use this, so basically, irrespective of whatever happens, it will actually execute this method. Okay, so it's not like it will skip this method. It will actually execute it, but it will not tell if it is passed or fail. Okay, so that's what this X fail does. And then and for some reasons, I do not want to run final method. In the sense, I can use skip. Okay, so PyTest PyTest dot mark dot uh, skip. All right, so what happens is, in this my fourth method, whenever I use to skip, it means it will not run the test at all. What's the difference between skip and xfail is, xfail will run the test irrespective of whatever happens. It will continue with the next method, whereas skip, it will ignore the method itself, and it will not um, run that particular method itself. So now let me rerun this again and see what happens. Okay, so now my browser is launching and it's navigate to my profile. So, I'm just waiting for my test to run. All right, now I will just move on to my PyCharm. Now if you see, um, there's a two test case passed and one skipped and one next passed. Okay, so yeah, basically we have four methods, where one we have XFail. One we have used a marker called XFail, and next you have used a mark called skip. All right, so basically one skipped and one X passed. So this is how you can use XFail and skip in your PyTest framework. Yeah, that's all I want to cover as part of this video. In case if you have any questions, please post it into the comment section. Thank you.